Hi, and welcome again to my channel. My name is Jamie Lightheart, and today we're going to be unboxing my J2 juicer by Namawell. It is a cold press juicer instead of a centrifuge juicer. I'm very excited about it. It's been in my home for a couple days now, and I've been waiting for this moment to be able to open it, and I wanted to open it on camera. So the reason I chose this one, I've had centrifuge juicers before, and I've just been really disappointed by how much pulp there's so much juice in the pulp, which, you know, when you spend so much money buying organic, fresh produce and fruits, you don't want to have half that be thrown away at the pulp. So I've been really frustrated with juicers in the past, and I just kind of stopped juicing for years until I watched a YouTube video about this juicer. And I was really impressed that they claim that it retains about 60% more juice than a lot of the other juicers. So I'm really excited about this. I hope it's true. There's two different ones. There's a J1 and a J2. They're about $150 different. I almost went with the J1, but the reason I went with the J2 instead was that the main reason was that their warranty, while they both have, I think it's a 15 or 10-year warranty on the motor, the J1, which is less expensive, only has a 2-year warranty on all the parts, whereas the J2 juicer has a 15-year warranty on all the parts. So when I read a couple reviews about the J1, they said that a piece broke after a couple of years. It was like a small part inside the juicer, or one of the mesh things, that basically made it unusable. But Namawell said there's no replacement part, and so they basically had to buy a brand new juicer because of that. So I just didn't want to deal with that, over $150. Plus, as you'll see with the J2 juicer, it has a big hopper at the top where you can just fill it and load the whole recipe of your juice in there, and you don't have to cut up and feed it piece by piece. So being a busy mom, lots going on, it's very likely I'm going to be distracted during my juicing time, so I just thought I'd go for the J2. So all that being said, let's get to it. This box is so beautiful. It came inside, obviously, a brown box just for shipping purposes, but it's just a really beautiful box. So far, I'm impressed. As you can see, the box is beautifully packed, very carefully, with each part is in its own box and container. There's scope for the pusher cleaning brush, the juice container, pulp container, smoothie strainer, the chamber set and quick start guide, and the base. Manual and recipe book, and all the parts and pieces are recyclable.